check out this new desktop water fountain that I got. So I wanted to add just a little zen to my office space, and I love the fountains that I have out in my garden, but this one is meant to be inside. So it's just going to plug, there's a little motor, it plugs right into the wall. The bottom of it, you're going to fill with water, and then it has a pump that sucks it up through the stem of this top flower. And I'm going to flip the camera around and show you up close. But you've got three tiers here and then some little rocks for aesthetics. It's completely self-contained. And it's just super pretty. It even has a little light down here. So let me flip the camera around and give you a close-up view. Look how beautiful this is. So it's self-contained, self-recirculates. It's got this little light here that changes colors. It has these cute little river rocks in it, and it just plugs right into the wall there. But this would make a cute gift idea. But for me, I'm just keeping it right here in the back of my office just to add a little zen to my workspace. The only thing that can make it better would be if it had music in it.